Let's get you up to speed with today's market action because the sell-off accelerating here this afternoon. The Dow now off over 1,000 points, one of the worst days of the year for the Dow. The S&P erasing much of the movement that we've seen over the last 4 days. You can see the S&P off 3.6% today over the last 4 days, now in negative territory. So erasing the recent rally that we have seen. I do want to point out that we are still well above those mid-June lows that we saw when the S&P dropped just below 3,700 today. We're at 3,961 here with just about an hour to go in the trading day. Taking a look at the NASDAQ composite, the NASDAQ now off just around 4.5%. This is the seventh day in a row this year that the NASDAQ has tumbled at least 4%. So lots of volatility in the markets as of late. Let's take a look at the bond market action. Lots going on there. The 2-year yield jumping more than 20 basis points. We know the 2-year is the most interest rate sensitive there. So the two-year yield jumping, 10-year also moving to the upside. You can see it up 7 basis points at 343. Taking a look at the dollar strengthening here on the heels of that hot inflation print. You have the dollar up just around 1.4% today. Bitcoin, on the other hand, sliding. Yesterday, we were talking about the fact that Bitcoin has been moving in tandem with U.S. equities. We now have Bitcoin off just around, just above 20,000 today, sliding 9% on an intraday level. Taking a look inside of some of these major averages, the selling that we're seeing across the Dow, all 30 of the Dow components in the red this afternoon. Apple among the worst performers, Microsoft, J&J Healthcare across the board. Taking a look at some of the other selling that we're seeing, travel names also getting hit very hard. Hilton, Marriott, Airbnb, Booking.com among the worst hit, but it's really all about the tech sector selling today.